brain itself, it has neurons, and these neurons communicate with electricity. And if we put a wire near those neurons, we can record that electricity. And if we put those wires, or electrodes as we call them, in a certain area, say an area that normally controls your hand, then we can record your brain activity that is firing because you're trying to think of moving your hand, but maybe someone who is unable to move their hand. So in a way, you can record activity from the brain as it's trying to do something, and then you have to interpret that in a way that makes sense. And so aside from just the electronic side where you record these electronic signals of these neurons, and sometimes it can be an individual neuron or even a group of them, and so different techniques record it in different ways. But you also have to do what we call decoding, and it's really transforming that electrical activity into something that's useful. And that also requires training. Usually the people have to focus on a task a lot, and then the computer side of it is trying to interpret this electrical activity into something that's useful. And so it's an interface or an interaction between a person and a computer with this implant, or even an external device, of just trying to uh, understand what the brain is trying to do and then turning that into something that's useful.